Hi everyone, hope you're doing great. Well, today I want to give my views about the online classes. Well, due to the COVID-19 pandemic and the resultant lockdown, schools have been shut to prevent the spread of the virus, and this has given way to online virtual classes. For most of the schools, all thanks to tools such as Zoom, Google Hangouts, Microsoft Teams, we have started afresh with the concept of new normal, where the communication technology, webinars, virtual classes, online training, websites, and a lot more are the tools to get us going. However, in our school, Gyan Bharati World School, information and technology has always been hand in hand, even in the pre-COVID era. Now, since there has been a paradigm shift in the teaching and learning for classroom teaching to virtual classes, I strongly believe that the crisis situation cannot diminish the zest of technology and knowledge in the minds of students. Instead, we have paved the way for a new dimension in education, replacing physical classrooms with an online mode of teaching and learning. In this tough time, different schools have adopted different methods of technology, and we have been trying and testing different methods of teaching. Our teachers and management are trying and testing many methods to minimize the loss due to the closure of the school. The teachers are all set and have started with the online classes in every subject to keep the momentum going on. WhatsApp group have been formed by the teachers with the students to pass on the immediate information. Like usual school days, the routine has been prepared for the proper classes and details are shared with the students. The virtual classes are no less than physical classrooms, wherein students are being taught with perfection, addressing their queries and concern. It's just that parents' participation is needed. It is astounding to see the nursery class students responding to the virtual classes so well, who could not initially attend the classes because of the pandemic. They have really set an example of optimism when we all are cribbing the said situation. The parents of nursery class of Gyan Bharati World School especially have given their efforts very well during the pandemic and during the virtual classes, in the completion of assignments, in making them do the worksheets and collecting the assignments from the school as well. So the parents have been giving best efforts. Thank you so much. Well, I would like to appreciate and applaud the untiring efforts of our teachers who have been preparing the slides, notes, presentations and assignments to teach the students through the virtual classes, which has not been a part of their daily life. It was new for the teachers as well. There's one famous saying that necessity is the mother of invention, and Gyan Bharati World School Gaya has invented numerous ways to guide, train and teach their students. It's surprising to see the teachers have adapted themselves at such a fast pace, and technology has not only been confined to the syllabus and the courses. Instead, the teachers have well adopted the tool for the students' engagement, activities and summer vacation assignments. Since the students are having summer vacation this week, they are busy preparing their summer assignments. We have recently conducted so many competitions, like speech competition was conducted, and I was happy to see the way our students were facing the camera and speaking so well. They are leaving no stone unturned to make it all normal and at their best. I seriously think learning never stops, whatever be the hurdles. We as teacher, a guide, a mentor, it's our work to find a way out. We cannot wait for the lockdown to be over. We cannot wait for the days to be normal, and we cannot even wait for the solutions to be provided by any authority. We are going ahead with teaching and have made the books available to the students to facilitate uninterrupted learning to their doorsteps. As a principal, I had to take a stand and abide by it. I have motivated the team to accept the new normal and give their best to ease out things for the students irrespective of the barriers. We cannot sacrifice the learning of the students because their time is precious. They have already lost freedom to move out. They have lost the fun with friends. They have lost the play in the ground. A lot more. They're facing a lot. We don't realize as parents, as teachers, but yes, the kids are losing on their patience. They are forced to confine themselves in within the four walls during the pandemic. So, being a teacher or a parent, it is our duty to bring them at peace and engage them in some activities, engage them in their studies. We cannot normalize everything, but definitely we are striving hard to make it best. We have to make the best of the new normal, and working towards this mission, we have to ensure that learning will never be interrupted for our students, for our children. So stay safe, stay home, and keep your child engaged in the best possible manner. Thank you.